every goddamn time. This thing is sharp. This thing's always stabbed me. Alright, what is up everybody? Just got the last of my turbo oil drain line hose, as you can see right there. Everything is kind of almost finished. I just got to put back to the bumper. I just put the headlights on last night. And I'll connect the power steering line last. I'm gonna put some oil in, change the trans fluid. All the piping is done. I'm gonna just put some last sealants on, you know, the oil feed line, the wastegate fittings. Gonna secure the boost controller in its place. We are almost there. Alrighty, I just got done hooking up the boost controller, mounted it in a safe location right there, lined it up to the turbo, the 2 ports on the wastegate. Then I got it teed off to my blow-off valve and then into my intake just to regulate the pressure. Last thing I'll have to hook up is a new vacuum filter here, and then I'm also going to hook up a brand new, it's a boost control pressure solenoid. Okay, I found a location for the boost pressure sensor to go. Again, I'm zip tying most of this stuff right now because it's just not in a permanent location. I'm sure I'm going to be switching stuff around, and especially since in the future I plan on dropping out the motor and just making the engine bay perfect, removing a lot of lines. But point being, you'll see me zip tying a lot of stuff. So I did find a spot for this boost controller. I'm going to zip tie it right here. As you can see, I have a wiring nightmare down here. There's just so much stuff over here. It's ridiculous. Again, that's why I'm zip tying some stuff right now. It's all gonna be kind of temporary for the moment. But again, please excuse the mess. There's just a lot going on over there.